How to remove professional account on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from a professional account to a personal or business account within the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, simply open up the Instagram app and navigate to your profile. Once you get to your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the settings. Once the settings open, scroll down and select For Professionals and select Creator Tools and Controls. Once in here, at the bottom, select Switch Account Type, and then just select the type of account that you want to switch to from a professional account. So if you want to switch to a personal account, you can also switch to a business account if you want to, which is good because it can show your business address, phone number, things like that on your Instagram profile. I'm going to go ahead and switch to a personal account. It'll give me some information about what that means. So once you're ready, select Switch to Personal Account, give it a second to load, and it'll bring you back to the settings where you will no longer see For Professionals in the list here. And if we go back to our Instagram page and refresh it, if you had digital creator or anything like that, that will be removed as well. And that's how you remove professional account on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.